Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the world's largest forest, Amazon. So let's start. Wonders of the Amazon jungle. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, spans over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries in South America. It is a place of unparalleled beauty and mystery, teeming with life and natural wonders that have fascinated explorers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts for centuries. The Amazon is a sanctuary for an incredible array of wildlife. From the elusive jaguar prowling the forest floor to the vibrant macaws soaring above the canopy, each species plays a crucial role in this delicate ecosystem. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, symbolizes power and mystery. Known for its strength and stealth, it is a master of camouflage in the dense undergrowth. Meanwhile, macaws, with their brilliant plumage and raucous calls, are among the most recognizable birds of the Amazon. Their vibrant colors and social behaviors make them a favorite among visitors. At the heart of the Amazon lies the mighty Amazon River. The lifeblood of the rainforest. Stretching over 6,400 kilometers, it is the second longest river in the world and supports an astonishing variety of life. The river is home to unique species like the pink river dolphin and the caiman, a relative of the alligator. Its waters provide sustenance and habitat for countless creatures, both large and small. The Amazon is not just a haven for wildlife. It is also home to many indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the forest for generations. These communities have rich cultural traditions and a profound connection to the forest. Their deep knowledge of the land and its resources is invaluable in the efforts to conserve this vital ecosystem. The indigenous people play a crucial role in preserving the Amazon's biodiversity and cultural heritage. The Amazon is shrouded in mystery and legend, from tales of ancient lost cities to stories of mythical creatures. The rainforest has inspired awe and wonder for centuries. One of the most enduring legends is that of El Dorado, the city of gold. Many explorers have ventured into the depths of the Amazon in search of this fabled city, but its secrets remain hidden. Today, the Amazon faces numerous threats, from deforestation to climate change. However, efforts are underway to protect and preserve this irreplaceable treasure. Organizations and local communities are working tirelessly to restore damaged areas, protect endangered species, and ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive for future generations. Conservationists plant trees, monitor wildlife, and educate others about the importance of preserving this unique ecosystem. The Amazon jungle is a world of wonder, filled with unparalleled beauty and incredible biodiversity. It is a testament to the resilience and splendor of nature. As we continue to explore and understand this magnificent rainforest, it is our responsibility to protect it and ensure that its wonders endure for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so that such information continues to reach you.